Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and enter Reset Options. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm the whole step. Again, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on Reset Settings if you are ready, and as you can see here, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.